my skin. Feels like the tears you left within. Every whisper in the dark reminds me of your fading spark. I try to heal, I try to move, but every step still leads to you. I'm still waiting here, where your love disappeared. Time goes by, but pain remains. I'm lost inside these broken chains. You're the ghost I can't erase, still waiting here in this empty space. The mirror shows a stranger's face, a heart that's trapped in yesterday. All the words we left unsaid are echoes running through my head. If love was war, I've lost it all, but I still answer if you call. I'm still waiting here, even when hope is gone. Your shadow